The helicopter flying around. This is Steve's Christmas toy. And we got Henry, who is very interested in it. Get close.
Yeah, it is a spinning blade.
Bring it down?
Well, you can bring it down closer. Whoa. Do you have to kind of like hold it up with your hand?
No, it once it comes off, it doesn't.
Do you want me to hold it up?
Yeah, maybe just hold it off.
Spinning the blades for him. That's probably pretty interesting.
Okay.